Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, Magnetic Reversal News, Sacred Geography, Shinrin Yoku, and Yurt Life, bringing you a grand solar minimum. Update Sunday, October 22nd, 7 p.m. Mountain Time 2023. A record 2 days on Greenland with ice building 12 gigatons, breaking the all-time record. We also are watching a major snowstorm about to pummel the West. Keep calm. It's boom time. Here we're looking at the current snowpack. Areas in dark blue or purple are well above normal. The rest of the regions need some help, and that help is coming with a Pacific storm that could deliver up to 1 foot or more of snow across the Rockies. It's looking like some areas of Wyoming and Montana could get 18 to 24 inches. Here is that snow potential through the week. Obviously, if you're in Montana, the entire state should see some of the global warming goodness. Shut up, Al. Get in your hole. Al Gore is not too happy about this particular forecast. Significant winter storm to bring near blizzard conditions and bitter cold to the west and the plains. The season's first major blast of wintry weather will arrive in the northern Rockies and plains this week and could result in over a foot and record-breaking sub-zero temperatures. Potential for severe thunderstorms and excessive rainfall in the central U.S. today. A weak cold front will press across the western U.S. today and Monday with some rain and snow showers before reaching the central U.S. on Tuesday with more significant weather. A few strong to severe thunderstorms capable of producing hail are possible across parts of the upper Midwest on Tuesday, and a slight risk of excessive rainfall is forecast over the southern plains on Tuesday and Wednesday. Frost and freeze warnings out for the entire Ohio River Valley. Now let's take a look at those snowfall totals. Here is Monday through Tuesday. That snow is going to be pretty much stuck in British Columbia and Alberta there. Tuesday into Wednesday, it'll drop down in the U.S., looking at Washington State and the high elevations picking up a significant amount of snow, and they'll be snowing in western Montana. Through Wednesday and Thursday, that system spreads and drops down. By Friday morning, we should see heavy snow in the northwest Wyoming and southern Montana. Take a look at this. The storm system continues, and then a second system moves through for the weekend here, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Holy macaroni. And the snow gods have blessed us. Record ice gain. We're talking about the surface mass budget on Greenland. 12 gigatons just the other day. We're now down to 4 gigatons today, but overall, 50 gigatons in the last week building on Greenland. That is in record territory of all-time ice gain. Super volcano on the brink of erupting after 458 years with evacuation plans in place for tens of thousands of people. Yes, we're talking about Campi Flegrei. Researchers believe the super volcano was responsible for wiping out the Neanderthals. I never heard of such thing. Evacuation plans are being drawn up for tens of thousands of people amid fears super volcano being on the brink of eruption. And here we can see smoke seen coming from Campi Flegrei in Naples. So not good news there. The seismicity has calmed down over the last few days. Let's take a look at the 3D. And yeah, just about a dozen quakes over the last 48 hours. But 4 days ago, quite a significant uptick there with a few large quakes, M2 to 3 magnitude. So we're keeping a close eye on it for safety and to warn of a potential imminent eruption. Seismic update, no quakes of note. 5.0 in the middle of China, of 5.2 in Nepal. Almost no quakes registering here in the U.S. above 2.5 magnitude. And we have one quake there in western Texas, the nexus of the Schmexis. Take a quick look at the worldwide volcano news. We've got Dukono to 8,000 feet, Ibu to 10,000. Klucheskov puffing to 18,000 foot today. Also Fuego to 16. And an interesting uptick at Nevado de Huila volcano in Colombia. Volcanic and seismic unrest. The alert level has been raised to yellow. Let's take a deep dive into this volcano. And here we are, Nevado de Huila. It's quite a tall volcano. It is way up in there. 5,364 meters. It's going to be like 17,000 feet in elevation, and you can see the size of this baby. This volcano is that high because it hasn't had a large eruption in some time. VEI 3, though, is pretty standard. VEI 3 in 2008, 2007, with the VEI 2 in 2008. And before that, no eruption back until 1555. So this could be a big boom over here in Colombia. So we're keeping a close eye on it. Space Weather News update. The sun is quiet for the last 48 hours. Absolutely silent. The disk is completely blank except for that tiny pinprick there just south of the equator. And this is one of the weakest solar cycles in over 100 years as we are at solar max and the sun has gone quiet. Now, we put up 2 interesting videos on our Rumble channel on cosmology and some of the problems with it. Part 1 and 2. It's 2 hours. So if you're looking to watch a video and learn something, check it out. These are awesome compilations of some of the greatest scientists ever explaining to you how broken our current understanding of the universe is. And that's a boom to knowledge. Please share this video as we are shadow banned and we need your help to grow. Become a Patreon, support the work we do, and be safe. We love you. And that is a boom.